Hello. This is Dana Lynette. Welcome to my channel. I am so sorry, but I have not given a proper hair update on my DIY Microlocs in a very long time. So that's what this video is about. I will be taking down a braid out while inserting photos from, I want to say January of 22 to the present, which this is April of 2023. I'm aware that the light in my restroom makes my makeup look scary. Just know it's a lighting issue, people. And enjoy the photos and the videos.
We Christians on a mission, got an order from the Lord. Now we running with His vision. I made a decision, He gave provision and broke up every chain. No more slave abolition. In the army, you got men that roll with the realest. You know we some royal soldiers. Crowns, we royalty, warrior, princess. We in it. I thought I told ya. Rolling with my God Jehovah, light shine like I'm on high beams. New walk, new talk, been washed in the blood. Catch you tell I'm extra clean.
I pick up and carry my cross, no never will fall. We grabbing and snatching them all. The lost, they come in the draw. No worry, we curry, declare us the winner, we ball. One-on-one game crazy, know my place, cause I stay in his face. No burdens, drop their weight and drop them bombs, cause they could be replaced. Saturate this beat, rap my daddy till I D.I.E. His name so sweet, why? Come and rescue me, boy. Move, gon' beef it up. Victory's my secret, brother. Greatest on the rise, you gon' let blast us through your speakers,
Me in
brother.
the hood with them killers that die for Christ. We rap for life. She pretty with an appetite, alright? My cousin Larry fell victim to the streets. Now I'm screaming G.O.D. to everybody that I meet. There is power in His name. Holy Spirit got me out here switching lanes. You in trouble if you die without the clue. The enemy wants to destroy you for you figure out the truth.
Big ups to all my ladies of integrity. If you ain't stealing, mate, to all these pawns, y'all call celebrities. Walking in authority, living lives of maturity, purity, spiritually, physically, never in conformity. Now tone it down if you living for these men. Cause Barbie's only purpose is to marry Hurricane. And maybe that's the reason you a cookie for a season. Cause baby Empire can't handle the kingdom. Woo! My God, my God. Yeah, we out. Yo, Detroit in the building. Yeah, what up, Dre? Christian, hip hop, female cipher. We got Portia Love, Adamus, Ty Cage, Illy Rap, and Speeds Louise. Biko, what up?
It ain't never been about me, it don't matter who I am, as long as they know that I'm serving, I am. And we covered in the blood, so the enemy can't see us. Blessing every demon, folding them like Peters. I used to be filthy, but now that life don't fit me. When Satan come with foolish stuff, I'm cracking up. Whitney, bruh, tell them we unashamed, and I got my sisters with me, and we represent the king.
Ain't no competition. We Christians on a mission. Got an order from the Lord. Now we running with His vision. I made a decision. He gave provision and broke up every chain. No more slave abolition. In the army, you got men that roll with the realest. You know we some royal soldiers. Crowns, we royalty, warrior, princess. We in it. I thought I told ya. Rolling with my God Jehovah, light shine like I'm on high beams. New walk, new talk, been washed in the blood. Catch you tell I'm extra clean.
I pick up and carry my cross, no never will fall. We grabbing and snatching them all. The lost, they come in the draw. No worry, we curry, declare us the winner, we ball. One-on-one game crazy, know my place, cause I stay in his face. No burdens, drop their weight and drop them bombs, cause they could be replaced. Saturate this beat, rap my daddy till I D.I.E. His name so sweet, why? Come and rescue me, boy. Move, gon' beef it up. Victory's my secret, brother. Greatest on the rise, you gon' let blast us through your speakers,
Me in the
brother.
hood with them killers that die for Christ. We rap for life. She pretty with an appetite, alright? My cousin Larry fell victim to the streets. Now I'm screaming G.O.D. to everybody that I meet. There is power in His name. Holy Spirit got me out here switching lanes. You in trouble if you die without the clue. The enemy wants to destroy you for you figure out the truth.
Big ups to all my ladies of integrity. If you ain't stealing, mate, to all these pawns, y'all call celebrities. Walking in authority, living
Yo, Detroit in the building. Yeah. What up, Dre? Christian, hip hop, female cipher. We got Portia Love, Adamus, Ty Cage, Illy Rap, and Speeds Louise. Because what up? It ain't never been about me, it don't matter who I am, as long as they know that I'm serving, I am. And we covered in the blood, so the enemy can't see us. Blessing every demon, folding them like Peters. I used to be filthy, but now that life don't fit me. When Satan come with foolish stuff, I'm cracking up. Whitney, bruh. Tell them we unashamed, and I got my sisters with me, yeah, we represent the king.
Ain't no competition. We Christians on a mission. Got an order from the Lord. Now we running with His vision. I made a decision. He gave provision and broke up every chain. No more slave abolition. In the army, you got men.
Yeah, we serve God around these parts. Alpha and Omega, He be finished before we start. The great I am, the one who let us know who we are. Christ the cardiologist created me a clean heart.